please head over to the mastermind creator behind this look and give her all of your love and support and attention. And she goes by the name Dollightful. She does amazing doll repaints and I love each and every one of them, hence the need to recreate them. So, you know, expect a couple more in the future. The next thing I want you to do is click on that lovely little red button underneath my name or next to it, and don't forget to ring that bell for more notifications whenever I upload, and to click that thumbs up just because. I just wanted to give a little intro so you know the real deal to who to give the true credit to. So we'll get into it now. watching. This was really, really, like, the more I paint, the more I love it, and I just want to, I don't know, I'm definitely going to be blue for a while, you know, it's just, and be a blue man for a while. So, yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please, again, head over to Dollightful's channel and subscribe if you absolutely love, like, recreating things, well, watching recreations of, like, dolls and repaints and all of that good stuff. And if you like FX and body paint and all that stuff, then subscribe to my channel. This lipstick feels really, I shouldn't have did that. It's like everything's getting stuck to this lipstick right now, and it's like, wait, this isn't the best to use. Hold on, give me a second. I can't handle this. Okay, sorry. But yeah, this is not gonna come off, and I'm really glad I don't have work tomorrow because I would have a lot of explaining to do, and I'm not trying to do that. So anyways, have a wonderful night, morning, evening, or afternoon, or whenever you're watching, and I will see you lovelies next